Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. I come to you today with a really exciting video. It is actually in collaboration with Cherryz.com, which I'm so excited about. So they reached out to me and sent me a little email asking if I would like to do a video with them, and of course I said yes, because as you'll know from my last couple hauls, like I've done a few like kind of homeware hauls, like B&M, home bargains type of stuff. So Cherryz.com is basically a smaller scale like B&M home bargains on an app, and so you can obviously get it delivered, which is so handy. So they gave me kindly £30 to spend on the website, and obviously I spent more, so my order came to like £41 altogether. So I'm going to show you what I've got. A huge box of stuff, can I just say. Like literally, look at this. So I ordered this on Tuesday and it's now Saturday, which I was quite happy with because I'm filming this over Easter weekend, so Friday was like a bank holiday or something, people were off, I was off. So I didn't really expect it to come. It did say Hermes next day, but like anyone that lives where I live knows we don't get things next day. So yeah, I was quite happy with the delivery. And a really exciting thing to add before we get going, they've kindly given me a discount code for you guys to use. So it's Dion20, and you get 20% off your first order through the app. So it's valid for app purchases, which is how I made my purchase. So yeah, Dion20 at the checkout on the app, and you'll get 20% off your first purchase. So I'm so excited, and a huge thank you to Cherryz for reaching out. I love like home and householdy stuff, so this is perfect match for me, and I'm really excited to be doing this video. So let's just get into it. The first thing I got, nothing was over, I think the most expensive thing I bought was like £3. So yeah, let me just dive right in and I'll show you everything that I got. I'm gonna kind of annoying that, isn't it? Oh, that will annoy me. There. So the first thing I got was this cool like cheese grater thing. So it's like a wee box, but you grate it on there so the cheese goes like into the box. So I thought that was quite a good idea. Easy grip food grater with container. And I got pink. There was quite a lot of different colours, but obviously I got pink. The next thing I got, which came a little bit damaged, but I think it's because it was at the bottom of the box, is this little guy. It's really random. Declan actually pointed out when we were looking on the website, and he was like, that's interesting. So basically it's an easy cook cool chef, and he is a refrigerated deodorizer. So all you do is add baking soda into him, lock it, and then you put it in the fridge, and it's meant to like make your fridge not smell. So I'm sure this was £3, and this was like the most expensive thing I bought. So yeah, this is him. So cute, I really like it. We'll see what like it is, if it's any good, and I can let you know. So I kind of got a mix of like cleaning stuff, a couple of household stuff, some stationery stuff, and some food as well, because like kind of like home bargains B&M, they've got some food. They've also got like pet stuff, party like occasion stuff, garden stuff, some like household stuff. It's not as like a big scale as B&M and home bargains, but it's got like the main brands that I kind of use, which is Fabulosa and Elbow Grease, and then it's got your washing and liquid and stuff like that as well. So yeah, oh, it's got all the pink stuff as well. I'm rambling, let me just carry on. So I'm not doing this in any order, I'm just picking it out of the box. So I got my fave Skinny Whip bars, and I got toffee and chocolate snack bar. These are unreal, and the good flavours are always out of stock in B&M. And I also got these, which I've never seen in B&M, which is the Skinny Whip Crunch bars. So they're more like, I think these ones are more like a cereal bar, whereas these ones are like soft, if that makes sense. So I got chocolate orange, very nice. I thought I bought another box then, maybe I didn't. The next thing is this little squashy air freshener. So this is meant to smell of Drumstick Squashy's air freshener. So it's got like little balls in there, and then I'm guessing like, I don't know, I must Tear and peel the wrap label, remove the lid. Discard foil cover, replace lid. Okay, that makes sense. So I take that off and then I can smell it. I kind of would. No, I'm not going to do it now because I'm not using it now and I'll waste it. I know I will. So the next thing I got, I actually thought this was going to be bigger. I did say like the size on the website, but I've never seen a little one like this. So this is like just the kind of, like the things you put in your washing machine. Like I've seen them, the Unstoppables. So this is like a mini one and the brand for this is Air Pure and it's linen room. That is fresh. Now that is fresh. Oh my God. Okay, yeah. They're gonna be so good. So I can't wait to use these. So you just stick them in with your washing and it's meant to make the smell last longer and stronger. And I've used the Unstoppables version and I actually really like them. So I'm so excited about these. This was like literally £1. I will put everything on the screen how much things were. Then the next thing I got was some Fabulosa, of course. So this is the lemon mint leaf and I am obsessed with how this smells. I love this. I think I've had like 3 bottles of this all in different smells previously and they're all done because they're so good. I love this so much. And sticking with the theme of Fabulosa, I actually got another one because I couldn't decide. It's here. So I got this one, which is Wild Rhubarb. And I have to say, these two are smells that I've never actually seen in B&M or Home Bargains. But I don't know if they like switch them up all the time or what. But yeah, I'm so excited about these two. And the next cleaning product I got, which I'm excited to try, is this. It's like the Star Drops white vinegar spray. And it's huge as well. I've seen lots of people use this kind of Star Drop brand, but I've never used it. Although it says it's been cleaning Britain since 1946 apparently, and I'm only now just using it. But yeah, it's for like glass and mirrors and things like that, and I'm awful at cleaning those things because I just leave them streaky and it looks worse than from when I started. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this because I've never actually picked anything up from this brand. And next, I'm so excited I got this because this is in Home Bargains and I've got the Spring Awakening one and I've bought 3 or 4 of them now, but I've not tried this smell yet. So this is Gold Orchid. So let's just give it a smell. Oh, now that smells luxurious, whereas the other one smells fresh, but that smells expensive. I like that a lot. And these were always sold out in Home Bargains for so long, so the website has this, so I'm really excited about that. I was like, oh my God, we need that, that's getting it added to the basket straight away. Oh, hello. Hello.
Sure.
Not much, you? Do you like your helmet?
Ah, it's alright.
What do you mean it's alright?
Well, it's cool.
It's cool.
Ooh. Ooh,
Do you want to show the viewers your helmet?
no.
Okay. Do you mind getting out then?
No.
Sorry about that, everyone. Declan's back on his motorbike. Yes, so the moral of that story was crease release spray on cherryz.com. Very excited to yawn. So next I got this elbow grease like cloth. Well, it's like a scrubby pad thing. I wanted to get like a minky because I don't actually have one of them. But I thought, well, I really like elbow grease, so I got this one. And it's tough, removes tough and stubborn stains. So we'll see about that elbow grease, but yeah. And then the next cleaning product I got was the Pink Stuff spray, which I'm really excited about because I've used the paste, which is amazing for cleaning like the sink and the glass in the shower. And I've also just like last week or something in my last B&M haul got the toilet duck. Well, it's not duck, but it's that kind of principle. So I thought, well, I need to try this. So this is the Pink Stuff. Oh my God. I've just realized the Pink Stuff Star Drops, and this is Star Drops. So this must be like a, can you literally hear him with a stupid motorbike? This must be like a sister brand of this, because I'm sure, well, this was obviously Cleaning Britain since 1946, and this doesn't say. So I'm guessing this is like the owner of this or something. Oh, that's interesting. But yeah, I'm really excited to use this because I like all the other Pink Stuff products. I'm just gonna give it a smell because the toilet duck has like a particular smell. Oh, it is actually pink as well. Yeah, that's the same smell as the toilet stuff. Nice. I like that a lot. So what else have we got? Next, I got this limited edition Zoflora, and it is cranberry and orange, which I'm not sure if I like it. I've already smelled it actually because I was quite excited to smell it. So I opened it and smelled it already. But yeah, so I got the Zoflora, and then I got this Lenore. This is Ocean Escape Fresh Washing conditioner stuff. Not very technical with my names yet. I haven't smelled this. I've just spilled it on my hand. Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's gonna be nice, like on your bedding or something, like really fresh. So this paired with this, I think this could be a deadly combination. So I'm excited to do the washing, and I hate doing the washing, so cool. Next, oh, Lola's one in. One sec. Oh, you got your PC? Bye bye. Okay, sorry. Next, I'm just trying to find the other cleaning stuff just to kind of make it. So like I said, elbow grease is like my fave. I got two, because I've literally got like this much left of the one I've got currently. I'll show you so you know I'm not lying. So this is my current elbow grease, so there's not very much left. And I got these two. It came as a 2-pack for £1. So I got them both for £1. So I'm so excited. I think that's all the kind of washing up, cleaning stuff I've got. So I'll just move on to the rest of the stuff. Oh, I got this little roll-on deodorant from myself. Dove, Go Fresh, pomegranate and lemon. It's alright. I forgot this before, but yeah, I really like roll-on deodorants, and then put in like a spray on top. And so yeah, got a little deodorant. And then I got these little, they're flamingos. 20 reusable flamingo ice cubes. So can you like see them there? There you go. So yeah, you just freeze these and pop them in your drink, but they like don't dilute your drink because the water is in here. So I thought they were such a good idea. They had like unicorns and other like shapes, but I just like these because they were pink. So yeah, I'm gonna pop them in the freezer after this video and give them a try. And then the next thing I got were these Go Ahead yogurt breaks. I feel like that should say Go Ahead yogurt bars, but it says Go Ahead yogurt breaks. So this is forest fruit, so it's basically like a little biscuit, like a brunch kind of bar with yogurt and fruit. So these are only 71 calories, so like kind of a comparison to like the Skinny Whips. So we'll see which ones I prefer. And next we got a couple more household items. Well, no, actually. So I bought this oven glove, so it's just a plain oven glove, because the one we have is like a 2, whereas I feel like a 1 would be quite handy. So I got an oven glove, and it came with a matching free tea towel. So they're the same, they're from the same brand, but this is called Cherryz tea towel, and this is just called oven glove. But yeah, I got this free with my oven glove, so I was quite chuffed with that. I'm running out of room severely here. So next I got something which I'm quite excited for, is this weekly planner. So it's got your week, so like I'm guessing there's maybe like 52 weeks in here, 52 pages or something. But yeah, so you write up your week here, and then you've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, blah, blah. Then you've got a to-do list as well. So I thought this would be quite good for like planning meals. Whoa. And I don't know, I just liked it. I thought meal planning, and like, although I use like my phone for all my appointments and stuff, but like I could put this somewhere so Declan knows where I am. Well, that sounded weird, so Declan knows where I am, but like gym classes and whatnot. And then yeah, I just thought that was quite a good idea. Hello. Why are you laughing at me?
No, yeah, no, yeah.
What?
That pots of paint.
What pots of paint?
Pots I got for the fence.
Right.
Well, before I went out, I was just ready to get ready to go out, and didn't move it and splat it all over my shoes.
No
Or
way!
my slippers.
Your Croc ones. Are you alright?
You see them on the feet?
No? I didn't even notice. That's a shame. Bye. I'm almost done. The next stationery type thing I got was this little A5 notebook, and this says you got this, and it's got a cute little matching pen, so it's like polka dots. I'm quite fussy with like paper, so let's see what type of quality the paper is. It's alright, give it its due. I've had better, I've had worse. Very handy for my work, indeed. And then next is all just little bits of, no, in fact, I was going to say it's all little bits of food, and then I was going to show you this. I got this, it's an exfoliating foot peel, tea tree and peppermint, 1 90-minute treatment. So I'm guessing it's just like little booties, you know how you get like sheet masks, I'm guessing it's just like a sheet mask for your foot. But yeah, so I got that. And then the foodie bits, some of these are for you. So I got Maryland cookies, double chocolate. These were a 2-pack, and I'm pretty sure they were £1. Then, yeah. And then next I got one of my faves, cheesy Ritz biscuits. I go through these like quickly, so maybe I shouldn't open them right now. Then I got a couple more things. I got these Dairy Milk mini eggs for myself for Easter because I love white chocolate and little eggs. And then I got these 2 things for Declan. I got him, for you, yeah. I got him these fish, they're like, what do you even call them? The fish and chips, salt and vinegar. So it's like the ones you get like at the chippy. You're happy with them? Thought you would like them. There you go. And last but not least, I got squashies. So yeah, that is now my rather large box emptied. And I have to say, I'm really impressed with the packaging. It came like with quite a lot of like paper, and also this really cute Cherryz like tissue paper, which I feel like I might keep. I don't know why. I feel like that'd be nice in like a gift or something. So yeah, I'm obsessed. Like I'm so happy with all this stuff I got. Like I say, my order was £41, so like I've mentioned, Cherryz kindly gifted me £30, and like I say, I bought more, and I could have spent quite a bit more, but I thought it's my first order, like I'll see what like how fast it comes, things like that. But I am so impressed, and I'm so chuffed and excited that they reached out to do this video with me. And like I say, I got the code Dion20 to use on your first purchase on the app, and I'll leave a link below where you can get the app and all the details for the code. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm really loving doing all these like home hauls. I'm thinking of maybe doing like an Asda shop, showing you kind of like what we buy in like a weekly shop. Like I kind of do, like I go shopping every week, but then like at the end of every month I do one big shop to like stock up everything. So I was thinking of maybe doing that. So if anyone did want to see that, then you could feel free to let me know. But that is all I've got to say this video round. But yeah, I hope you all have a lovely Easter weekend, and I'll speak to you next time. Bye guys!